This is why your short form videos aren't working. If you have been creating video content for a long time and you've been trying really hard and you've been doing things all the gurus say and you've been copying their styles and you've been trying to use what they're giving you and your videos are still only hitting 200 views per video, here's what you might be doing. You have forgotten who you are. You are creating to keep up with the social media algorithm, or you are creating to keep up with what people think of you. Instead, you should be focusing on who you are, how you create, what you like to do, what you like to talk about. Especially as a small business owner, creating consistent content for the social media algorithm can be exhausting and intimidating. So instead, focus on showing up consistently and authentically in a way that serves you, and then be grateful for the views that you do get, and don't worry so much. Before you know it, you'll start having higher views as long as you keep showing up consistently. Take this as some encouragement, and now go create some content.